Phone calls from the dead. Chilling, documented, impossible to ignore. Welcome, friends. So glad you're here. If strange true stories grip you, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Now, let's dive into the case that still haunts investigators. People say the dead are silent, but the phones, they keep ringing. Calls from those we've already lost. One night in 2008, dozens of calls came. A commuter train crash in Chatsworth killed 25. Among them, Charles E. Peck, dead on impact, confirmed by the coroner. Yet for hours after the wreck, his phone kept calling friends and family. About 35 calls over 11 hours. When they answered, only static. Rescuers traced the signal through the wreckage. They found his body an hour after the calls stopped. It isn't just old wires and landlines. Texts, voicemails, FaceTime at 3 a.m., the so-called witching hour. Skeptics say glitches, cross-connections, our minds hunting patterns in the dark. But investigators whisper about something reaching through, a lingering reach. Is it a technical glitch or something from the beyond?